Hi, how are you? Good, 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 good. Thank you very much for coming all the way and spare time to hear me. Today topic is related to the direct sales and marketing. It is motivational topic. Topic is avoid oversell. आपने सुना होगा, देखा होगा, सर ले लीजिए, सर ले लीजिए, फिर भी आप बोले नहीं भाई हमारे पास है, हमको नहीं चाहिए। नहीं सर आप ले लीजिए, सर आपको ऐसा होगा, सर आपको वैसा होगा। दिस इज कॉल्ड ओवर सेलिंग। जरूरत से ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ को फोर्सफुली सेल करना इज ओवर सेल। हमें किसी पेन को बेच रहे हैं, बहुत हल्का सा एग्जांपल, आप पेन ले लीजिए। क्यों ले लें? सर आप ले ही लीजिए, सर बहुत अच्छा राइट करता है, निब इसकी अच्छी है, टिप्स इसके अच्छे हैं, इसका इंक जिंदगी भर नहीं सूखेगा। यू नो दिस काइंड ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा रॉन्ग मैसेजफुल प्रेशर्स आर बीइंग क्रिएटेड बाय सेल्स पर्सनालिटीज। कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ले लीजिए आप, मैंने पेन का एग्जांपल दिया, आप जिसका भी ले लीजिए। इफ योर प्रोडक्ट having said that don't oversell, then what to do? Now question, sales people will stand up, Dr. Srivastava, then what to do? Because evening I have to give the result to my person. So what do you do? I am saying this, I am not saying that don't sell. You sell respectfully. Very first thing that you dominate the market where sellability of this product is more. Go in that market. Identify the area, traders, shoppers, agents. Third, you should know how to penetrate the market. Going to the merchant, it will be more sellable. Going to the individual shops of the same product, it will be more sellable. Going to the traders, it will be more sellable. So very first thing that you should plan for the mass sale. So in one stock 200 units are sold, you are happy. Target is of 50 units, you sold 200 units because you make the study of the things which I am explaining you. Create the relation. Very first day, don't try to offload all your tension of the product sale. 1000 I have to sell in a month. Don't sell 1000 in 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Develop the relation. Sell yourself. First your personality. Out of that, the confidence level of the person, client will increase. People will trust on you and then they automatically trust on the product. They don't know the manufacturing process. They don't know the flow of manufacturing. They don't know ingredient until or unless you sold them out. But they will trust you. That Dr. Srivastava is the personality who will never sell the wrong things. When this confidence is there, half of your sale process is over. Other thing, that make your product a brand product. Image is there in the mind of the people. So you are not selling product physically, you are selling the branded image of your product. Customer should say, client should say, अरे भाई इस ब्रांड का पेन 2000 हमें सप्लाई कर दीजिएगा. You should not have the poor brand in your hand that सर इसको भी ले लीजिए, सर हमको भी चांस दीजिए, सर हमारी भी नौकरी बचाइए, सर हमारा भी टारगेट पूरा करिए. Stop crying at the place of the client because he is not going to listen you. At the end of the day, he is going to make the use of the revenue which is going to spend out of your sale. So he will go for the branded product, trustworthy product, a product whose process owner you are having a trustworthy relationship. Don't talk much about the product. Whatever is asked by the customer and client, that much insight you give it to. What is the plus point? What is the minus point? How it works out? Where it fails? That also you have to talk. Only positive and positive you cannot keep on talking because negative impact is also inbuilt to the positive impact. अच्छा होता है तो उसके साथ बुरा भी होगा. क्या बुरा है? Customer wants to know from you. If you can sell out these things without before he asks the question, then you have built the image. ठीक है भाई, 500 माल भेज दीजिए. And sometimes it happens that you are somewhere else in other region, in other city, and customer calls you. अरे भाई आजकल आप दिखे नहीं, आप 300 यूनिट्स हमें भेज दीजिए. आप भी फ़ोन पे अपने ऑफिस में ऑर्डर को प्लेस कर देते हैं. एंड बिफोर रीचिंग टू द कस्टमर, विदाउट रीचिंग टू द कस्टमर, माल इज सोल्ड, प्रोडक्ट इज सोल्ड. दिस काइंड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट आई मीन टू से. I am saying that don't highlight your product beyond to a limit and don't beg. Don't steal anything. Customer तोड़ना, client तोड़ना. No, don't indulge into this kind of the professional approaches. Once you may be appreciated, but other than that you will not be recognized, because today customer is very intelligent, because today people are very very wisdom oriented. They do understand nitty gritty of it. अरे यार कहीं से माल चुरा के लाके हमको दे देगा, कांति भाई का माल तो ऐसा नहीं है. तो people are having product market knowledge also. Your customer knows better than you, and not only one product knowledge, he is having so many others brand based product knowledge similar to your product. So whatever you say, if reality is there, it will be accepted, otherwise it bounce back and he will stop entertaining you. I believe through this video, selling impact should be understood. Again, I am repeating, sell yourself, sell your personality, sell your relation, be rich in relation, product knowledge, product variation, good and bad, all these things should be explained to the customer. Customer should be taken in confidence. And lastly, you should become the choice of the customer. That night anytime, day anytime, if customer realize the need of the product, he should call you. You should be in front of the customer, may not be physically, but at least in the mind. And he calls you, Dr. Srivastav, please send 5,000 units. This is called sales. This is called respectful sales. This is called professional sale. You are not selling vacuum cleaner, going door to door. मैडम ले ही लो, साफ करना मत करना, घर में रखना, पैसा देना, दरवाजा बजा फट. You got disappointed. In the society where you went to sell, all the noise from the doors came same way. मैडम ले ही लो, बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, नो नहीं चाहिए, दरवाजा फट. नेक्स्ट टू दरवाजा फट. इट गिव्स ह्यूमिलिएशन. यू आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बीइंग. अरे क्या यार, क्या पकड़ के घूम रहा हूँ दिन भर, एक भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं बिक रहा, हर जगह दरवाजे फट, हर जगह दरवाजे फट. So don't create those kind of the situation. You create a positive sales, professional sales environment in which no insult, no humiliation, no suffocation. You are selling, you are meeting your target, and you are remaining a very professional, respectful personality in the open market, in the personal life, in the social life, in the professional life. I always clubbed together personal, social and professional life. Why? Because impact of on one life leads impact on other life. If my personal life is happy, then my professional life, my social life will be happy. If my professional life is happy, then definitely my personal life and professional social life will be happy. I will be promoted. Dr. Srivastava become general manager. Dr. Srivastava become vice president. Social requirement fulfilled, people salute me. And when I have this kind of the promotional activities, my salary also goes up, then my house is happy. I am carrying more money, I am giving more money to my people, and then I remain happy in my personal life also. If sometime I plan to resign, then my people at the home, they say no, company is good, give the promotion, give the good amount of salary, and they moreover they recognize your talent, so remain in the same company. So lot many things I spoke about. Oversells, remain constant selling, good selling, respectful selling, and selling based upon the brand and utility to the client always. I am sure you are getting the message. Rest in full seminar we will meet sometimes. Until then, take care of yourself. Do take care of your health during this corona. Protect yourself, protect your family, and protect others if you can. Thank you very much.